Now to a developing story out of the United States. Parts of former President Donald Trump's tax returns have been released to the public. This provides new insight into his personal and business wealth. The CBC's Travis Danraj is in Washington, sifting through those documents for us.
A lot of documents, aren't they? Nearly 6,000 pages of documents, and they're set to provide the clearest picture of the former president's finances that we have seen yet. They reveal Trump held several foreign bank accounts while he was in office, and they also show that he paid little in federal taxes in his first and last years as president. Now, Trump has fought vigorously to keep his tax returns under wraps, but lost that fight when the Supreme Court allowed the IRS, that is, to turn over his returns to the Democrats. His finances have really been shrouded in mystery for decades, going all the way back to the 1980s when he was a real estate developer in New York City. The returns that were made public today by the Ways and Means Committee that the Democrats control right now for the next couple of days in the House, they span 6 years from 2015 to 2020, and they include more than 2,700 pages of personal taxes for Trump and also his wife Melania, and more than 3,000 pages related to Trump's business entities. Now, Trump, of course, is hoping to run for the White House in 2024, which gives these documents even greater significance. That being said, his base is not easily dissuaded. Ravi Perry is a professor of political science with Howard University. He weighs in on that.
One thing that's been consistent throughout all of Trump's various legal troubles. I mean, remember, he was impeached twice, and, now this new tax information's come out, but so many other, kind of really sketchy details, obviously, over the course of last several years. And he has somehow risen above the fray of all of it, largely because the GOP base is very much in his camp.
Trump has just released a statement, and in part it says, "The Trump tax returns once again show how proudly successful I have been and how I have been able to use depreciation and various other tax deductions as an incentive for creating thousands of jobs and magnificent structures and enterprises."
So now, Travis, we know that there was also a report released last week. What else has been revealed?
Yeah, that 39-page summary that the Ways and Means Committee really put out last week highlights some of the main points that are in these documents. And it is going to take some time to go through all of the details. But here is what we know so far. Trump repeatedly lied when he claimed to be under audit for years. You'll remember him saying that over and over again. The IRS, which was required to audit the taxes of a sitting president, did not do that in a timely manner. In fact, it failed to audit him during his first 2 years of his presidency. It also shows that Trump did claim losses for several years of his taxes, and also that he put in a claim for about over $5 million when it comes to a refund in taxes in 2020. So certainly a lot to get through here. We'll give you continued coverage today here on CBC News Network.
That is the CBC's Travis Danraj in Washington.